Well, first of all, the idea of Aalto Design Factory is to have this is a sort of platform, a co-creation platform where any person can join. We have students, we have teachers, we have researchers, we have sponsored industries. Anyone is able to come here and develop something and collaborate with someone.
We accept people from all 6 schools of Aalto University, whether they're business people, engineers, or designers. And that's because anyone can benefit from learning how to see opportunities, how to build things that take advantage of those opportunities, how to sell yourself, how to sell the things you make, how to tell narrative stories about what you're working on.
If they want to do something differently, this is a safer place. If they come here, if they take their students here, if they have their class here, and they try something that potentially will fail.
I hope that this is an environment in which we have the tools and the people who motivate you in a certain field. And then, it's up to you as a persona when you sort of feel confident in your skill and your abilities to then just go to the world and figure it out for yourself.
Try to get a tour. I think those are organized all the time. Try to take people's contact details when you come, because it's not like this stuff there's no process.
Yeah.
You just add them on LinkedIn, talk to people, call them up, ask them for a coffee, have lunch with them, try to make connections.
Yeah, we're right now we're in the print shop and design factory where we do 3D prints and regular ink prints. It sort of embodies design factory spirit to a big extent. There's a lot of transparency, windows, so you can actually see. At the same time, it's clean and organized, and it's also sort of DIY. Visually, everything's made out of wood, something you can put together quickly, which is something we want to inspire, people who just walk around and hopefully get that bite.
We try to answer to the question that what does it mean in practice that we have the fields of science, engineering, design, business, art in the same university? How can it affect the learning processes and activities? I don't know any university that I would claim that they are not good in theory, that they are too practical. But I know many universities, if not all of them, that I can say that they are not very good in order to apply the theoretical knowledge.
PDP is about interdisciplinary teams working together to solve a challenge given by the industry. So we have roughly 5-6 people, 7 people in each team from different backgrounds. We accept students from all the schools, masters mainly, but also accept bachelor students. And the idea here is to put them together in a team where they choose the project they want to work on, and the sponsors sponsor 10,000 euros, and they give the brief to the students.
So we think of entrepreneurship as a way of doing things or a way of thinking, so to say.
Yeah, that's exactly right. Teaching people how to build these companies, giving them the skills they would need to do it, whether it's now or, like you said, in the context of an existing company, or 10 to 15 years down the road after they've graduated.
You need to come when you come to Finland is we never would say that we have the best of everything, even though some on the newspapers they do. But I think what is very unique about Finland, and for example, Design Factory, is that it really shows a different kind of spirit, and it shows that spirit through spaces, but also through people, the culture, the community, how much we care, how much there's actually little hierarchy. And that is not something, you can learn from a book or watch in a video, no matter how inspiring it is. It's actually something that you have to sort of live through.